Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the concrete prerequisites are in place, Python 3, 10 or newer and pip. Once confirmed, create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Then add your first libraries to requirements. TXT with exact versions, this prevents surprises later. While installing, watch for binary wheels versus source builds because compilation increases complexity. Make sure to run pip install R requirements, TXT, and verify import success immediately, so you catch miss. Once the environment exists, add libraries incrementally and integrate them into small test scripts to validate behavior. Import each package, exercise a core function, and run unit tests so you detect API changes or conflicts early. When versions clash, use pip tools or poetry to generate a lock file and resolve transitive dependency issues. Also consider binary wheels to avoid long builds. When you need CLIs, pips isolates them. Keep commits small so you can revert a single integration step if needed. To finalize, freeze your working dependency set and test installation on a fresh virtual environment so you confirm reproducibility. Then document key usage snippets and minimum environment notes, which helps teammates and future you. If things go wrong, a reliable troubleshooting step is to remove and recreate the venv, clear pip cache, and install required system development libraries. This solves most build or binary mismatch errors. Finally, keep your lock file updated and run periodic updates with tests to avoid bit rot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.